and promises. How to be brave? How can I love when I'm afraid to fall? Watching you stand alone. Heart beats fast, colors and promises. How to be brave? How can I love when I'm afraid to fall? Watching you stand alone. Heart beats fast, colors and promises. How to be brave? How can I love when I'm afraid to fall? Watching you stand alone. Heart beats fast, colors and promises. How to be brave? How can I love when I'm afraid to fall? Watching you stand.
Happy birthday,
Nanay.
your birthday to come.
Wishing you all the best.
And again, happy birthday from your prettiest Apo. Look at who. Laing ko.
Ay, ang bitagi daw.
Happy birthday nay, kabay pa, tagan ka sang Ginoo sang maayong alawas kag madugay pa nga kabuhi. Palangga ka namon. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Lai.
Nay, kamusta ka na da? Happy birthday! Kali madulal lang yung sakit kag madako pa ka birthday maabot sa imo. Happy birthday luwat, Nay.
Happy birthday, Nay. More birthdays to come. More blessings pa. Stay healthy. May God give you long life. Thank you sa tanan-tanan. Tani nag-enjoy ka sa mga birthday mo. Liwat, happy birthday, Nay. Love always. Here you go. Happy birthday, Nanay. Happy birthday, Nanay. Kap na. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Nanay. Flying kiss kay Nanay. Mwah. Happy birthday, Nanay.
1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Nanay. Sige na. Sige na. Ikaw.
Happy birthday, Nanay.
Happy birthday, Nay. In your care, I have grown up. You raised me, taught me. You are my mother. Best of all, in my ever prayer, you are. You are there to me. Happy birthday, my most charming star. Paayo ka na, Nay, sa imong mga sakit. Wish ko lang tani mag-ayo ka na. Kag ari lang kami para sa imo. Nga mabulig sa amon nga masarangan. Tani hindi ka na padungol. Patihon mo kung ano ang ginahambal sa imo. I love you, Nay. See you soon.
Para sa nanay ko, happy birthday, Nay. Ingat lagi.
Happy birthday, Lala Emma. Wishing you good health, long life, and pure happiness. Stay blessed and always love you. Bye.
Nay, happy birthday. Wish you a long life and good health always. I love you and miss you. Ingat palagi.
Happy birthday tayo.
Happy birthday! Emma! O, sige na, okay na.
Pawat.
Pagkantayin ka na tayo, Jen.
Igrit?
Happy birthday.
Oo eh.
Ay, happy birthday.
Mga na. Pinapas naman, gwapo yan.